So, briefly, I'm coming here. I'm a representative of the Faculty of Mathematics and Physics, University of Ljubljana. So, physics and mathematics at the University of Ljubljana has been there since the beginning, since when the university was established in 1919. Our main areas are research and education. And at the Faculty of Mathematics and Physics, we are hosting the only nuclear engineering program in Slovenia, on a master level and as well as on a PhD level. So in the period from 1989 to 2016, we had a scientific master, and since 2012, so after this Bologna system was introduced, we have the Bologna Master in Nuclear Engineering program. We currently have about 3 to 5 master students per year. There is, of course, room for more. We have, so our capabilities are even larger. However, this also reflects interest, which hopefully will increase in the following years. At the Faculty of Mathematics and Physics, we have expertise in nuclear engineering, radiation and reactor physics, nuclear materials, severe accidents, nuclear safety, nuclear instrumentation, and so on. And we cover practically all areas that are relevant for nuclear engineering. We have very strong collaboration with the Jožef Stefan Institute, so practically all staff that give lectures that are faculty staff are also in one way or another connected strongly to the Jožef Stefan Institute. So all the research that my colleague Janez Kokal previously presented, all this research is partially done also at the Faculty of Mathematics and Physics. So our idea is, so our main job is to educate and to do research, and our expectations from this SMR Alliance is to contribute to education and research in the field of SMRs. Some projects have already started, and we hope to have even more projects in the future. And of course, one of the main goals is also to strengthen collaboration with the industry, which I think is a must if we want to achieve these goals together. Where do we see each other? So we are primarily here in this science and research. So faculties represent, so we are here, research, education and training. However, we closely collaborate also with other stakeholders in the SMR ecosystem. So this is my view, or our view. So we strongly collaborate with the nuclear regulators. We provide technical support. Faculty of Mathematics and Physics is not authorized technical support organization. However, JSI is, and we have strong collaboration with the JSI. And sometimes we often forget that having educated people is a prerequisite to do anything else. Some people might call this human resources or workforce. I call them educated people, nuclear educated people. And if we don't have nuclear educated people, then we can just forget about everything. So we have collaboration with all stakeholders in the SMRs because we provide nuclear education to people who can then go to all of these sectors. So from civil society, industry, nuclear technology, energy sector, SMR advocates, decision makers, and so on. So to conclude, I would like to say that workforce, research and development are essential for SMRs. This is relatively new technology, especially in Europe. So we should work together closely if we want to achieve the goals of having and producing SMRs in Europe. And of course, we will need SMRs. We will need big boring reactors, so conventional units for producing electricity, and we will need SMRs. And I see SMRs as an excellent attractor for excellent students, because it's something new, it's something attractive that might attract talents to a field that has been neglected and not so popular among the most excellent talents. And what we need to achieve this is a long-term commitment. A long-term commitment, because this is, I call this, we are not doing sprints. Nuclear is a marathon. So what we need is a long-term commitment by all stakeholders, especially from the government, to support this. And if we have long-term commitment, then, of course, anything is possible. Thank you very much.